If you have been tired of the theory-based training that the industry is full of, and have been looking for training that is said to reveal the Scrum framework for the product owner and Scrum Master in Agile software development and how Scrum works in practice, this brief video review is for you. Also, if you have been looking for a class with the latest course updates, and is said to be continuously updated, this brief video review is for you as well. This video will be a brief review of the featured Agile and Scrum Masterclass online course. Now, there are links below in the video description. If at any time you would like to go straight to the official webpage that you see on your screen, just click on those links provided below in the video description, so that you may see the featured Agile and Scrum Masterclass online course information more in-depth, or follow along with me in this video, if you choose to do so. Now, when you click on the links provided below in the video description, you will arrive on the page that you see right here on your screen. We will briefly go over and touch on just a few of the main points of the page, points that we believe would be of most interest to you. So now, when you first get to the page that you see on the screen, you can see right away that the featured online course is said to be a complete Agile and Scrum program and guide for product owner and Scrum Master. And as you can briefly see here, it is said that you are able to learn and work at your own pace with this program. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. Now, as we briefly scroll down just a bit, you can see a brief introduction to the person who is said to be the author of the featured program and guide, whose name is said to be Dayan. Just briefly take a look at the brief background on him here, as we scroll. And also here, you can briefly see that it is said that there are no prerequisites for the featured masterclass, and it is said that everyone can join. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. You can take a look at more of the information in depth when you click on the links provided below in the video description that will take you to the official webpage that you see on your screen. So now, what we want to briefly go over and touch on here is at the portion of the page here where it goes right into what you are said to get when you join the featured masterclass. And as you can briefly see here, it is said that you get full and immediate access to Module number 1, the introduction to the course. Module number 2, what is Agile software development? Module number 3, what is the product? Module number 4, the 3 pillars of empiricism. Module number 5, Scrum framework. Module number 6, Scrum time boxing, Scrum events, and more. Module number 7, the theme, epics, user stories, and tasks. Module number 8, Scrum artifacts. Module number 9, definition of ready, definition of done, and acceptance of criteria. Module number 10, Introduction to Evidence-Based Management 2020. Module number 11, Scrum certification. Module number 12, your first job as a product owner, where to start. Module number 13, plan and execute the perfect sprints. Module number 14, the transition from traditional to agile. Module number 15, recap and last words. Bonus module number 16, testing mastery in Agile and Scrum. Bonus module number 17, the Scrum in real life. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. Now, you can see here, that it is said that the featured masterclass is said to make you more valuable. It is also said to make you more successful. Also it is said, improve your Agile and Scrum skills with these assets, and your life will be improved over time as well. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. Once again, you can take a look at these details more in depth when you just click on the links provided below in the video description, so that you can visit the official webpage that you see right here on your screen, and go over these specific areas carefully. So now, as we scroll down a bit further, we get to go over and touch on the portion of the page here that shows more of what you are said to receive when you enroll now. And you can just briefly take a look at the package here, as we scroll. Also, take a look at what is said to be the student support Facebook group that you are said to have instant access to as well, when you enroll. As we scroll down a bit further, just take a brief look at more bonuses that you are said to receive as well. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. And now, take a look here, as it shows where it is said that there is a 100%, 60-day, money-back guarantee that is said to come with your purchase of the featured masterclass course. Also, you can take a look at the one-time price to enroll as well. There are also reviews and testimonials from some of the students of the featured masterclass course that you are going to want to take a look at as well. And also, the frequently asked question portion of the page is here as well. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. Don't forget to click on those links below in the video description to go to the official webpage that you see on the screen, so that you may see all of the information in more depth. Now, make sure that when you get to the official webpage that you see on your screen by clicking on the links below in the video description, that you pay particular attention to all of the information that is presented on the page, to give you a better idea of what the featured masterclass course may be able to do for you, and how you may be able to benefit from it as well. Make sure to look into the reviews and testimonials from some of the students of the featured course, to give you a better idea as well. Also, be sure to pay particular attention to the 100%, 60-day, money-back guarantee that is said to come with your purchase of the featured masterclass course as well. Once again, we would like to thank you for watching our brief video review. If you have found that the information presented here in this video was helpful and insightful to you, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Remember to click on the links below in the video description, to go to the official webpage that you have seen on the screen in this video, to get more information and see more, if you decide to choose the featured, Agile, and Scrum Masterclass online course.